Are you struggling? Aren't we all? I've gotten significantly more than 0 questions on what courses and certificates one should do after the very often recommended Google Cybersecurity certification offered by Coursera. If you don't know what Coursera is, or what I'm talking about, let me enlighten you. Coursera is basically a repository of over 10,000 courses to learn just about anything technical. And I understand it can be overwhelming to sort through all the courses. It's hard to know as a noob whether or not any particular course is one that you should invest your time in. After all, a subscription-based model means every minute that you're spending learning from one course is time that you could have spent learning another course. But if there's one thing I know, it's that most people tend to have more time on their hands than they think they do. An hour a day can take you away from that dead-end job.
Write that down, write that down!
Coming from a father of 4, having worked through college, I think I know a thing or two about time management, but I digress. I'm not here to shame you for your doom scrolling or your procrastinating with your vice of choice. I've partnered with Coursera to create and provide a list of courses available on Coursera for all you beginners out there struggle busting to figure this out. Obviously, to start, we have the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certification. This is a 9-course series. Absolutely no prior experience needed. You don't have to know nothing about nothing to start and finish this cert, which makes it perfect for noobs like you. Take a month. Take 6 months, whatever pace you need to go to get her done. Whatever you need to learn the material. Foundational knowledge, the concept of security risks, networking, Linux, SQL, the concept of vulnerabilities, and just a sprinkle of Python coding. A very well-rounded beginner course. And don't take my word for it, check out all 53,000 testimonials, because I already know what I'm gonna see in the comments. Bunch of trolls, the lot of you. There's also the IBM and Microsoft cybersecurity analysts. I've already made a video covering the Google one, and another video comparing it to the other two. So check out those videos if you want more of a breakdown, but I wanted to highlight what else you can study up on using this platform and making full use of your subscription. Some of the most well-known certifications that come up in job listings for both IT and cybersecurity are probably CompTIA ones. Well, wouldn't you know it, Coursera has guides to prepare you for the A+ Core 1 and 2 exams, the Network Plus, the Security Plus, literally every single CompTIA exam. Have you been searching for an affordable study guide for your CompTIA? Here you go. Is the cybersecurity stuff just too much for you, but you still want to get started by getting into IT? You want to get your foot through the door somewhere, working in any low-level IT job you can find? For you, I'd start with the Google IT Support course to ease into the basics of software and hardware troubleshooting, basics of networking as needed in an IT support role, and everything else you need to know to work in a help desk or junior sysadmin role. Then you can work towards the cybersecurity courses, prep for the A+ or Security Plus exam. I'm not a huge proponent of the Network Plus by CompTIA, where you can get an even more robust understanding of networking with Cisco's CCNA. Well, wouldn't you know it, there's a guide for that too. Are you looking to get into the very lucrative field that is the cloud? There are certificates for that too. Are you starting to understand how Coursera can serve as your tool for your learning? And if you break it down, we all have subscriptions to so much trash. And I don't mean to be blunt, but I do. I got a subscription to Netflix, Hulu, Max, so many subscriptions, all for the purpose of detaching myself from reality and watching stuff mindlessly, not for the betterment of my career or leveling up my life. And we all have no qualms paying for that, even if we don't even use it. We let Netflix chill for months without using it. Meanwhile, we're getting charged monthly for it. So don't go around asking, is this all I need to do to get a job? I don't want to just tell you, no, that's not how life works. You're not going to have a good time finding a job in IT or much less cybersecurity with a mindset like that. You have to get into the mindset that anybody successful in life has. This goes for any career. You have to be in charge of figuring it out. A lot of IT and cybersecurity is problem solving. If you can't find a solution to your own problem, then how well are you going to be able to find solutions as someone who works in the tech space? Check out all the courses that I pointed out. Check out my iceberg certificate video. To enlighten yourself on cybersecurity certifications, use this platform and search for the concepts that you're currently studying. Malware analysis, ethical hacking. Heck, if you want to learn more about Metasploit, There you go. We live in the age of information. Metric butt tons of information. Use the tools that are readily available to level up your knowledge. If you're working at Target, Walmart, at any retail or fast food job, and you've been putting off studying because you're in the still figuring it out stage of your life, I've been there. I took plenty of time off. I took a year off after high school to do that, but I'm gonna tell you right now, you ain't gonna figure out shit by doing nothing. But here is something you can do. And if you're watching this video soon after it's posted, you can take advantage of Coursera's 40% off summer special, a discount on their Plus subscription. Regularly $400 for 12 months access, it's currently going for $240. That's $20 a month. The price of one meal at McDonald's, because inflation is just... You see these Big Mac prices? College is thousands of dollars, and you will likely waste your time taking classes that you don't need. Invest in your self-studying. So here's a video of what courses you should look into if you think you're cut out for IT or cybersecurity as a career. Not just a job, a career. So get off of YouTube and check out Coursera. Link is down below.